Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the best place for learning tasty and easy recipes. It's your girl Chef Angie here, and if you're here for the first time, I'm back with another video for y'all. Today we're going to be making Kpomo Stew, and I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of tips on how to make this stew really delicious. So guys, stay tuned, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get into it. So what I'm trying to do here is cutting my tomatoes so that I can get them ready to blend. So I also have onions, so I'm just going to divide that into like 4 pieces and then just get them ready to blend. And then I also have garlic. I mean, what is a stew without garlic? So let's put all that into the blender and get it ready to blend. I know you guys are wondering where shombo is, but I have fresh pepper here already blended, so I added a few spoons of that. Don't worry, ingredients are going to be in the description box. So blend this all up together and let's see, have the paste. So the first thing we're going to be doing after that is boiling our kpomo. So we have some cow skin ready already, and then we're just going to pour that into water and then boil it. So this food is going to be garnished with eggs, so I'm also going to be boiling the eggs also. So now everything has been boiled and we're just going to take it out. Make sure you do not throw the water, because this is a really key ingredient in this meal. So guys, make sure you don't throw the water away. So after taking it out, then it's time to fry our stew. So add some oil to a pot or pan, anyone you want to use, then add salt and onions. Make sure your oil is hot before adding your onions, then stir that together. Stir it really well till your onions become translucent. But if you are really impatient, you can just go ahead. Just the only difference is that your onions might not done, let me just, like, it might not melt away. Yeah, that's the only difference. So now I'm going to be using tomato paste because my tomatoes is not enough, so I just added just a tomato paste, just to give my sauce that tomato thickness, that tomato richness. So just stir that. I already gave a I already said how to do this in one of my videos. It was a jollof fry video, so I'm just going to link that up here, and you guys will see how you're supposed to fry your tomatoes. So just stir everything together, and when you're done with that, it's time to add your pepper mix. So pour all that in. So guys, if you do not want to wait for this water to dry, what you could do is roast your pepper mix before that's your tomatoes, everything, before blending. So that's in my jollof fry video, so guys, go and watch it. So I just poured the kpomo water into the plate where I put the tomato, just to get everything into my sauce. Yes, so the next thing we're going to be doing is adding seasoning. So I added ginger and garlic powder, then I added curry, then I added Maggi, that's 2 Knorr cubes. Then after adding Knorr cubes, that's bouillon cubes, also can also be called that, I added thyme, and I didn't add salt again because we already added that at the beginning, don't forget. So just mix all that together. You could add rosemary depending on you, but I was fine with this. So just cover that up and let it boil. Let it literally let all that water soak away. But then before then, you would have to put your kpomo inside so that the juice of the tomatoes can soak into the kpomo. So put that in there and turn it. You guys already know my bad habits. We turn food too much for this place. So when you're done with that, cover your pot and let it dry. So guys, this is what we are having. As you can see, the result you're trying to get is to make sure the oil has been separated from the sauce, from the stew. So that's what we have. So I just added my eggs and turned it. Guys, this thing was looking pretty delicious. And guys, I'm taking it to work today, and I know that I'm going to enjoy myself with hot yam. Please don't try me. So thank you guys so much for being here for today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't miss next week's video because we're going to be starting a new series. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah.